Which words from the passage best help the reader answer the question? Lived, bully, block, path, whole, bully, hold, bully. Antonyms. Choose the correct word that is the opposite in meaning to the word that is capitalized. The soldiers entered the village to evict anyone that was against them. Keep, expel, force, chase. The soldier was trying to humiliate the prisoner. Shame, praise, embarrass, demean. The poor little puppy was abused so badly that animal control had to save him. Misconduct, injustice, kindness, offense.